What if the sun never rose again? Have you ever imagined waking up one morning and realizing the sun didn't rise? No golden light through your window. No warm glow in the sky. Just darkness. The clock says it's morning, but outside it looks like midnight. At first you might think, maybe it's cloudy. You wait, you open the curtains wider. Still dark. You turn on the TV, but the news says the same thing everywhere. The sun did not rise today. People walk outside, looking up at the black sky. There are no colors, no shadows, no sunlight touching the trees. The world feels quiet and strange, as if it's holding its breath. At first, life would go on almost normally. People would turn on all the lights in their homes. Cars, street lamps, and buildings would shine all day long. Shops would still open, schools would still try to start, and people would still go to work. But after a few days, things would begin to change. Without sunlight, mornings and nights would look the same. Clocks would become our only way to tell time. People would forget what day and night even mean. Some might feel sleepy all the time, while others would feel wide awake. Our bodies need sunlight to feel alive, to know when to rest and when to move. Without it, everything would feel mixed up. Children might ask, "When will the sun come back?" And adults would have no answer. Cities would become oceans of electric light. Neon signs, car headlights, and glowing windows would fill the streets. People would wear jackets with lights on them to see where they are walking. Even trees in parks might have tiny lamps on their branches. It would look beautiful, like one big festival every night, but also a little sad. Because no matter how many lights we turn on, they can never be the same as the sun. Solar panels would stop working. Flowers that open in daylight would stay closed forever, and people would start to miss the warmth of real sunshine on their skin. After some weeks, the earth would slowly start to cool down. Without sunlight, the ground, the air, and even the oceans would lose their warmth. It would begin with a small chill, like early winter. But then, every day, it would get colder and colder. People would wear thick clothes all the time. Fires would burn in every home. Countries near the equator might still stay warm for a while, but soon the cold would reach everywhere. Snow might start falling in places that never saw snow before: deserts, islands, even beaches. Palm trees covered in ice would look like something from a dream. Farmers would struggle first. Without sunlight, plants could not grow. Green leaves would turn yellow, then brown. Fields would become empty and silent. People would try to grow food with special lamps, but it would be hard to feed everyone. Some would build giant green domes with artificial light to keep plants alive. Animals would be confused too. Birds that sing in the morning would stop. Roosters would not know when to crow. Some animals would think it is always night and go to sleep forever. Others, like owls, bats, and wolves, would love it. They would rule the endless night. Forests would be full of glowing eyes, soft footsteps, and quiet whispers. Sea animals would notice the change too. Turtles that need sunlight to find their way would lose direction. Fish near the surface would swim deeper into the dark sea. The balance of nature would change completely. Some creatures would adapt and survive, others would slowly disappear. Without the sun, the sky would be full of stars, brighter than ever before. You could see billions of them, even from cities. The Milky Way would stretch across the black sky like a silver river. Planets like Venus and Jupiter would shine more clearly than ever. It would be beautiful, a gift of darkness. But after some time, people would stop looking up. The beauty would start to feel lonely. We would realize how much we miss that one big golden star that makes everything feel alive. Cities would need to change fast to survive. Streetlights would be everywhere, on walls, trees, even sidewalks. Shops would be open 24 hours because there's no reason to close. Time would become strange. Some people would sleep in the afternoon, others at midnight. New jobs would appear too. Light keepers who fix lamps all day. Heat engineers who build machines to keep cities warm. Sky watchers who search for any sign of the sun returning. People might start living closer together to share warmth and light. Small towns might disappear as everyone moves into big, warm cities. The world would become crowded, but also more connected. Most of life would move indoors. Schools, offices, farms, and even parks would move under roofs. People would paint the walls with bright colors, yellow, orange, and gold, just to remember sunlight. Some artists would make sunrooms, places filled with warm lamps and sounds of birds and waves. People would sit there for hours, eyes closed, pretending the sun was still shining. Vitamin D would come in pills, not from sunshine. Children born after the dark began might never know what real daylight feels like. They would learn about it only from old pictures and stories. Even in the dark, humans would create. Painters would use glowing paints that shine at night. Musicians would write songs about the sun, songs full of hope and memory. Maybe one song would become famous around the world. "Come back, our sun." People would sing it together on rooftops every night, waiting for the light to return. Writers would tell stories about the Golden Age, the time when the sun smiled on everyone. Children would draw suns in school, even if they've never seen one. Their suns might look funny, too big, too red, too small, but they would mean love and hope. Humans are creative. We always find new ways to survive. After a few months, scientists would build strong lamps that shine like sunlight. They would use huge power stations to make light for farms, cities, and hospitals. Engineers would try to make giant mirrors in space to reflect other stars' light toward Earth. Maybe they could bring back some brightness. And if nothing works, people might build new homes underground, where it's easier to stay warm. Life would become quiet, slow, and strange, but still full of hope. Some scientists might suggest moving to another planet. "Let's go to Mars," they would say. But Mars is even colder and darker. Others might build big ships to travel in space, searching for a new home near another star. Maybe people would live on floating cities in the dark universe. But most would stay on Earth because Earth is still our home. Even in the dark, we would fight to keep it alive. The endless night would change how people feel inside. Some would feel scared, afraid of what might happen next. Others would feel peaceful. They might enjoy the quiet beauty of the stars. People would miss simple things: morning sunlight on their face, the color of blue sky, shadows moving on the wall. Some would write or record messages for the sun, like letters to an old friend. "Dear sun, we miss you. Please come back soon." And when people talk about sunrise, it would sound like a fairy tale, something from the past, almost like magic. Years would pass. The earth would grow colder. Snow would cover most of the land. Oceans would freeze at the edges. But still, humans would survive building warm homes, growing food under lights, and helping each other. Children would play in glowing snow parks. They would slide on ice under fake stars made by drones. People would celebrate the Day of the Sun every year, even if the real sun never comes back. It would be a day of hope. Everyone would wear yellow and gold. They would light millions of candles to remember the warmth of the past. Maybe one day the sun would return, just for a few seconds, and the whole world would cheer, cry, and dance in its light. If the sun never rose again, we would learn many things. We would learn how much we depend on light, not just to see, but to live. We would learn that the sun gives us food, energy, and happiness. We would learn how connected everything is: people, animals, plants, air, and sky. We might also learn something deeper, that even without sunlight, humans can still shine. Our kindness, our hope, our stories, they are small suns that never go out. Every smile, every song, every candle would become a little light in the endless night. And maybe that's the most important lesson of all. Even when the real sun disappears, we can still bring light to each other. What do you think? If the sun never rose again, how would your life change? Would your city glow with lights all day? Would you wear bright clothes to feel warm? Would you sit near fake sunshine and dream of real morning skies? Think about how sunlight touches everything: your food, your energy, your mood. What if it all went dark tomorrow? How would you feel? We would love to hear your thoughts. Please share your ideas and feelings in the comments below. Tell us what sunlight means to you and why you think it's important for our world. Your voice can inspire others to care more about our planet. Let's start a conversation and make a small change together.